Konnichiwa, got a hand of this. Mini-stop halo-halo recommended by Shizuka Anderson from Japan by Food. Let's try it.
Konnichiwa minasang at matitikman na nga natin ang halo-halo sa Mini-Stop Japan. Tara, join me! Hindi nga siya matitikman at mabibili the whole year. It is strictly sold as a summer menu item across Japan. Nakaka-excite kainin, halu-haluin muna natin. Parfait style shaved ice dessert topped with Mini-Stop signature soft serve ice cream. Isa nga sa pinaka-orishi ang soft serve nila. The other one is the milky soft serve ice cream.
In Mini-Stop Japan.
Unlike the traditional Filipino version, packed with ube, leche flan, and mixed beans at samut-saring sahog, the Japan version menu adapts the concept with the rotating seasonal fruit flavors, syrup, jellies, and tapioca. Meron pang ang pop rocks yung Japan halo-halo nila. Kanya-kanyang specialties nga ang mga konbini sa Japan. Sa Mini-Stop naman, panalo yung mga desserts nila. Must try talaga. Surprisingly, Mini-Stop Japan has been serving unique Japanese-style halo-halo since 1995. Mecha Oishi! Until the next food adventure, please watch, subscribe, and like. Sayonara!
Mini-Stop Japan.